Go green with the SJ1440SP 30-watt folding solar panel attachment, compatible with SJ1440SG portable solar generator from Sunjo. Start your eco-friendly solar energy system with Sunjo. Compact and convenient, the foldable design is easy to store and transport, and the included carrying case makes it easy to take Sunjo on the go. Power up your home, campsite, RV, and more with the light of the sun. Simply plug in SJ1440SP to your Sunjo generator using the included two 25-foot connector cables and recharge your portable powerhouse in just 60 hours of sunlight. Or plug in a second set of solar panels sold separately to cut your charging time in half. Designed to make the most out of your area's peak sunlight hours, the 36 polycrystalline non-toxic silicon cells in each solar panel capture sunlight and convert it to clean battery power. Sunjo's weatherproof with industry-standard MC4 T-branch connectors, operating in temperatures as low as -40 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit for continuous solar power storage, even in the most extreme conditions. And every Sunjo solar panel set comes backed by our complete 2-year warranty. So get solar powered by Sunjo and go with Joe. The SJ1440SP folding solar panel attachment, compatible with the Sunjo portable indoor-outdoor inverter generator. Get equipped.